And this is Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa, and this is my review video on a brand new product that's launching today, Tuesday, the 7th of July at 9 a.m. EST by my good friend Jono Armstrong. It's called JavaScript Commission Bot. Guys, what JavaScript Commission Bot? As you can see here, I am in the inside of the program. What it is, it's a program that allows you to start getting traffic from influencers on Instagram and Twitter, but it uses Chrome extension to follow these influencers. And basically the idea is that once you follow a big influencer, automatically their followers are probably interested in the same niche that you are interested in. And there's a good chance that that person's going to come past your profile, have a quick look, maybe look at your bio, click and see what you've got for sale. But a big problem with these tools in the past is that they've used different IPs and it's been black hat, and Twitter and Instagram always catch on to that and close down the accounts. So these guys are using actually Chrome extension to be able to do that. So as you can see here, I am in the members area. Let me quickly take you through the sales page. Then I'm going to show you how the software works, and then I'll show you my bonuses, and you'll have a clear understanding exactly of what this product is all about. So here it says JavaScript Commission Bot, stealth software turns unlimited free traffic into lazy commissions. We're making $1,000 per day, 24/7 traffic, commissions, automated income without the BS, ridiculously easy, get results all in one system. And then it's also saying if you think it's internet marketing isn't easy, the way a lot of people do it, but these guys have always looking for innovative ways. And what they've done, again, exactly what is so important is to have traffic and to have offers that convert. And that's exactly what this tool does. There's Jono as there's the product, and we're just going through the sales page. Obviously, you can go through it in your own time, but it's a brand new robust software. It's fully compliant. The DFY affiliate campaign that comes with 2 DFY done for your affiliate campaign and customizable money pages, traffic without pages and without traffic without paid ads, so that there's no ads involved. And yeah, there's some of his earnings, and it just goes on and on. So there's the sales page. Let me quickly show you inside the software, so you know exactly the way that it works. The first is an introduction video by Jono, very simple there. Then he goes into the training, and then he goes into the training for how to download the Instagram extension and the Twitter extension. So far, I've only done the Instagram extension. Let me show you quickly the way that it works. I'm going to be doing the Twitter one a little bit later on today. I don't really use Twitter that much. I'm going to start getting into it. But if we go into, let me quickly show you the way that it works. If we go to Instagram, here's my Instagram. You can see I've got 5,406 followers, and we go and we look up someone like Gary Vaynerchuk. Obviously, Gary V is big in our industry, and we want to let's go have a look. He's got 8.2 million. So the way that this works is you click on the 8.2 million. And then we click on the Chrome extension. There you can see I've already installed it, and all you got to do is press start. So there you can see the bot started, and it's going to start going now in the background to slowly start following friends, his followers. Jono and his support and the developing team and the support team have written this software that you don't mess around with any of this. Just leave it at these functions where it's basically going to go slowly. Have a look at his followers. It runs in the background. You don't need to do anything, and already you can see I've got 1 follower. It's following one person, so we'll let that run. So that's the way that the Instagram extension works. The Twitter works exactly the same. You type on the person's name and you press it, and it will slowly start picking up their followers, but doing it in the correct way using the Chrome extension. So there's no way that you can get in trouble. Creating your campaign. So what Jono has done there, if we click on there, is that all of internet marketing obviously works with two things. There's traffic, so we're getting traffic from the followers of the big influencers on Instagram and Twitter, and we want to be able to show them an offer. Jono's taken his two best offers, that's Cartel and Invisible, and allowed us to offer it on our Instagram page. So let me show you exactly the way that we do it. I put my name, Saul Maraney. I'm going to go for Cartel. So we're going to go quickly into Warrior Plus, and I'll search Cartel. There we see Cartel, and I'm going to put that's how we get our Cartel affiliate link. I'm chosen Cartel. Here's my affiliate link. You can put your Google tracking pixel and Facebook. I'm not going to do that right now, but let's generate the offer. And then it comes with two pages. Here's your page link. So just to see what that looks like, it's Cartel, and you can see he obviously got this especially designed, and no one can explain Cartel as well as Jono can. So this is the actual page that you're getting with Jono's review and all of the bonuses and etc. like that. But obviously this link is too long. We can't put that into Instagram. So what I'm going to do is copy the link, and I'm going to copy the link, and then I'm going to go into Bitly. Bitly is it's free to sign up with, and it's a link shortener. So what I'm going to do is put that full link there and say create, and then copy it. Save. So there's the link, and what I'm going to do now is go back to Instagram, and I'm going to edit my profile, and I'm going to put that link there. So we're putting our link. We're going to be getting the followers of the Instagram influencers. They're going to be coming past our Instagram, have a quick look at what we got for sale, see if we look decent. That person will click on there, and it's going to take them to the Cartel offer. There's the Cartel offer, and then anytime they click on any of the yellow buttons, I will get the affiliate commission for that. I will get the affiliate commission for that and for all the upsells, because as you saw, we coded that in on the page before. And then the last thing that you have to quickly do is our bonus link. So what we want to do is take the bonus link. That's the second link there. Let me grab that link. Sorry. And we go back to Warrior Plus. And what I'm going to do here is put that link there. So basically anyone that buys Cartel through my link, their bonuses will be automatically delivered to them. So again, guys, that's how you create your campaign, and then the upgrades. So that's exactly the way that the offer works, is that, as you can see in the background here, it takes 2-3 minutes to put in this Chrome extension. I've already followed 4 people. They're going to come probably look at me, maybe follow me back. So I'm going to be building up my follow up, and hopefully they're going to be clicking on the offer. Let me quickly now go through the actual specifics about the product. Thank you for watching my JavaScript bot. It's my review page. Right, it's going to be opening at $12.97. Please note it's a 3-day launch only. And let's go through. I've gone through the summary and explained that it works with Chrome extensions, following big influencers, and hopefully those people will get your come look at your offers. So the front end is $12.97. JavaScript commission bot. That's the bot that you're getting, and it comes with the 2 done for you offers. OTO 1 is $47. Bot Pro Edition. The front end only allows you to use 5 accounts. The OTO 1 is unlimited accounts that you can run it off, and you get a special link shortener. OTO 2 is done for you. So instead of just getting 2 of those campaigns, you get 7 campaigns from Jono. That's made him over $50,000. OTO 3 is limitless traffic. That's where Jono allows you to, in the future, put your Google code on all of these launches coming up. So you're going to be building massive lookalike audiences, and you can start running ads to those people in Google. And OTO 4 is a reseller's license where you can sell this whole software plus 3 additional softwares for 100% and keep the full amount and the full whatever you sell, you keep 100%. So let's look at my bonuses. Exclusive bonus 1, get huge traffic using Instagram influencers. That was a product on JV Zoo, and it was by Stefan Sancho. Brilliant product on how to get a huge amount of traffic, also with Instagram influencers. This is a different way. Unlimited traffic. There's an extra traffic full product that you can from Jono, and it's just to send more traffic to your offers. Exclusive bonus number 3 is Gemini. Gemini is Jono's latest product on Warrior Plus, done over 2,000 sales. Exclusive bonus number 4 is Insurgency by Jono, another traffic product. And it's all about traffic. You've got the offers and it's all about the traffic. And then exclusive bonus number 5 is access to all the vendor bonuses. So guys, at 9 o'clock EST, come to this page. I'm going to be emailing you about it, and you will be able to pick up the JavaScript commission bot for only $12.97. Remember, it's only a 3-day launch. Let's have a look at Instagram to see what's going on there. So far, it's followed 6 people. So we're going to be hopefully getting nice results there. I changed the link here so people will be able to go pick that up there. I'm going to go now and do you get 2 Chrome extensions. I'm going to go and do the Twitter one now. So guys, this gets my highest recommendation. I think it's a very smart product that can run 24/7. Every day you just can choose a different influencer and press go. And over time, you're going to be getting a lot of traffic. Your Instagram grows at the same time, and so please go get this product when it offers. I wish you all the best of luck. Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa. Take action and succeed. Cheers.